Hello and welcome. Let's talk about Dogecoin and why you need 5,000 Dogecoin coins. Now remember that we normally use 5,000 as a base, but you can invest and buy whatever you can afford to lose because that is the golden rule. Now remember, Dogecoin have gotten a lot of support recently. Dogecoin have started rising, and with the news that Twitter might start accepting crypto-based payment, of course, Dogecoin started increasing. Now, Elon Musk have been really supporting Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin signals based on the technical and fundamental analysis for 2023 is amazing. Now, at the time of recording this, Dogecoin is currently trading at 9 cents, and the market cap, of course, is trading at $12.1 billion market cap, and Dogecoin is ranked number 9 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Now, Dogecoin, you need about $450 at the time of recording this in order to buy 5,000 coins of Dogecoin. Now, if Dogecoin hit at 30 cents, remember Dogecoin has once hit at over 27 cents, and there's a possibility that most crypto coins will be hitting back at the all-time high. Okay, now Dogecoin at 30 cents simply means your $450 investment right now will be worth about $1,500. That is about $1,050 profits. Okay, and there's a possibility that this year Dogecoin is going to hit that level or even more. Now, Dogecoin at $1, okay, that simply means your money will be worth about $5,000. Dogecoin is trading at almost 10 cents. Now, $1 is possible, you all know. Yes, with the support we believe in this year, if you can see a bullish year, you can see Bitcoin, BTC, the king of crypto coins, hitting at over $100,000 between now of next year or next 2 years, then most crypto coins will be hitting very high. Dogecoin, if go above its all-time price, that is, Dogecoin might even be hitting towards 70 cents or $1. That simply means your $450 will be returning about $5,000. That's about $4,550 profit if Dogecoin hit at $1, and there's a possibility for that because some people might be predicting Dogecoin at $10, $100. No, I'm actually giving you pure analysis. What Dogecoin, there's possibility of Dogecoin hitting that $1. Now it's trading at almost 10 cents. So with 5,000 coins of Dogecoin, you'll be making a lot of profit. But remember, you can invest or you can buy whatever you can afford to lose. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.